Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timi Kenza James. For our new subscribers, you're most welcome, and for the old one, you're also welcome, and I love you all. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut a sleeve, a basic sleeve. So I discovered that I've been making videos of blouses and I've not really showed you how to fix sleeves. So most times I cut and join the sleeve off camera. So today I want to show you how to cut a sleeve, a basic sleeve. So from there you can do other ones, and subsequently we'll be learning how to do other sleeves that has design and all that. But for now, let's make do with this. So we'll be using a ruler. Then I'm using this curve. This is actually a hip curve, but you can use, there's an armhole curve or a sleeve curve. You can actually use that one. I'm just trying to improvise with this one because I don't have that at the moment. So I'll be using a tape, a piece of chalk, a fabric. So you just get a piece of fabric that will accommodate the length of the sleeve that you want and also the width. So I have this one folded in half and I ironed it, then a scissors. So the first thing we are going to be doing is, I have this line ruled out. It's just a base point where I'm going to be starting my sleeve, nothing more. So I'm using the total length of this fabric, which I have here is 14.5 inches. So we have 14.5 inches like this. You can use, depending on the length you want, you can use a short sleeve, whatever. So but this 14.5 will make for a medium length sleeve. So it would measure somewhere around the elbow. That's where this will be. So let's just get into this proper. So what we're going to be doing now is to determine the cap's height. When they say the cap height is from where the sleeve begins to the curve around the armhole around here. So the cap's height actually is the distance between from this side to where there's an ease and there's a movement on the armhole. So that's what the cap's height is. So to divide it, to find your own, it will be, the formula for that will be your bust measurement divide by 12. So whatever your answer is, you add half an inch to it. So for instance, your bust is 40 inches, you divide 40 by 12. So the cap's height for a bust of 40 is 3.3. So that's 40 divided by 12 is 3.3. So this is 3.3 plus half an inch from that point. So I'll just add half an inch, so to be around 3. So we'll have almost 4 inches. So it will be here. Then I'm going to mark that here too. Then I'll rule it into a straight line. Oh, sorry about that. Mark that into a straight line. So this is the cap's height. So on the cap height length, you're going to put in that half measurement of your armhole. Your armhole measurement, that's half of it. So if you have your armhole measurement, that's from that 1 inch that you usually come down from your blouse, whatever the measurement is, sometimes it's 7.5 or 8. So for a bust of 40, mostly it will be 7.5. So we have it 7.5. You insert it here like so. Now you're going to add half an inch to that 7.5 for ease. That half an is totally optional, but if it's a free blouse, you add half an inch for ease. So you connect this point to that point like this. You connect it in a slope like this. So here we go. Then you find half of this line. After everything, you see we have 9 inches. We have 9 inches, so half of 9 inches is 4.5. Then for this, from this 4.5 here, you're going to mark half an inch upward. This half an inch is going to be for the back armhole. You mark half an inch upward. Then you come with your curve. If you have a sleeve curve, is fine. So you curve it like so. Then you connect here with a ruler. So this is your new line. Connect it like so with a ruler. So this is for your back armhole. Then for your front armhole, you just connect this point to this point. That's without the half an inch. So you connect it like so. Then for the front part, from this half an inch, you use your cuff. You turn your cuff upside down. Then you connect it like this. So this will eradicate some of the bulkiness on the front side, because the front armhole is deeper than the back. So this will be your front armhole line, and then this will be your back armhole line. So you have to note that very carefully. Then you add 1 inch here for your joining allowance. That's sewing the closing up your sleeve here. Then you come to the edge here, the base point. So let's assume this point here is somewhere around here. So you measure here. I'm using 13 inches here. So you divide it by 2. Divide your measurements by 2. Like so. So we have 6.5. So this is our 6.5 here. Then you're going to use a curve like this one. If you don't have this, so you're going to mark it from the main point, not from your sewing allowance, from your main point here. This will eradicate some of the bulkiness that happens around here. So you just go ahead and connect it like this in a curve like this. Then on this point you add 1 inch sewing allowance. You can use ½ inch, you can use 1 or more. Then you also connect that the same way you did. So here is your sleeve. So we are going to cut it out now. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out like so. Then note, I'm going to cut the back side first. I'll be cutting out the back armhole first. See, I've cut out my back armhole. So now when I open this up, this side will be the back side. So this is the sleeve. So I'm going to cut out the front side now. So you follow where your front, you have to be careful so that you don't cut wrongly. So you cut this side off. So you see the front side goes deeper than the back side. So this will be your back. So you make sure you label it so that when you come to fix your sleeve, you don't put the back on the front side. That would cause a lot of chaos. So you just label this B, which is back, and you label this point F, which is front. If I close it back up like this, see where the front is. So you see it's deeper than the back. See where the back is, see the front. So you can see. So this would fit in on your armhole properly and give it a very nice fit. You don't have to struggle with any bulkiness around that point. So this is it about cutting your armhole. If you just go to join your sleeve, you just sew on this line here, then you fix your sleeve. That's basically it. So if you want a puff on your sleeve, in another video I'll be showing you how to do all of that. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. If you did enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I have a new video up on the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.